Today I'm showing you how to turn the classic peacock lace into a textured version without the eyelets. It's soft, wearable, and still unmistakably lace. Stay with me. We'll look at this small move when we reach row 3. With this method, we keep all the main characteristics of the peacock lace pattern while preventing the eyelets from forming. And if you're planning something special, combining the textured version with the original lace is a wonderful idea. Here you can see the chart so you can make a screenshot to save it for later. This is the swatch of the original lace version. You'll find its link in the description. And here it is, my reworked version. The main pattern repeat is 13 stitches over 4 rows. In this video we focus only on the 13 stitch main pattern. The stitches around it are just for the swatch. And now, let's see how it's done. Row 1. Knit all 13 stitches. Row 2 and 4. Purl all 13 stitches. Row 3. Knit 4 stitches together. Let's take a moment to see exactly how the lift and purl stitches worked. Lift the left leg of the stitch from the previous row back onto the left needle. And purl it. This fills in the eyelet and turns it into a soft, textured stitch. Now knit 1, then lift and purl. Repeat this sequence 5 times. Finish with a left-leaning 4-stitch decrease. Slip 4 stitches knitwise. Place them back onto the left needle. And knit all 4 together through the back loop. Repeat rows 1 to 4 to continue the pattern. Look at that beautiful texture.